All right, question 2 of the NCEA 2019 exam. This is 2b, and we've got a fairly involved algebraic expression here, and we're going to make this a single fraction in its simplest form. I'm noticing a few opportunities here. This is well, not perfect square, sorry, it's the difference of two squares. This looks like we can, in fact, factorize it. C is common as a variable throughout. So let's see if we can chisel this down a little bit. I'm not sure how far we can take it, but let's see. So the first bit is we've got a 2c plus 1 on, and this is going to be c plus 3, c minus 3. So there is my difference of two squares. The whole thing is added to. I've got a c minus 2 here. And let's factorize this bit here. So I've got two brackets, c and a c. Signs are going to be the same, and they're both negative. Both negative. Factors of 3 that add together to 4 are going to be 3 and a 1. All right, so straight away, I got a c minus 3 here and a c minus 3 over here. I'm actually going to keep the denominator just like this. I'm not going to try and do anything different. So I'm going to multiply all of this lot here by all of this lot here for the denominator alone. So that's going to mean I'm ending up with I'll write it like this, c plus 3, c minus 3 times c minus 3. I could have written c minus 3 squared, but I'm not going to. C minus 1. I want to be able to cross stuff out if I get the opportunity. So I've got all of this here times all of this. So it's going to be 2c plus 1 times, I've got c minus 3, c minus 1. Okay. Plus all of that times c minus 2. So I'm going to extend the vinculum. I got c minus 2 times c plus 3 and a c minus 3. All right. What's common? What's common? Okay, so straight away I can see I got a c minus 3 here, a c minus 3 here, and I've got 1 on the bottom, so I can just cross out those two, and I can cross out that 1 on the bottom there. And that's really all I can do with the bottom bit. Okay, this has just gone really dark. I'm just going to see if I can lighten it up a bit. I'm not sure why it's gone that. I think it's to do with the lighting outside, actually. It's really annoying when it does that, though. Hang on 1 second. Just see if I can do something here. Okay, I'm going to just close the curtain for a second. It does not like the light from outside. Hang on, so sorry about this. See if I can persuade it to do something a little bit different. Let's see if I can. Okay, now it's happier. Sorry about that. Okay, so what are we left with here? So we've got, I'm going to leave the bottom of the way it is just for now in case I get an extra thing I can cancel with it. And I've got this here, so I'm going to expand out this bit here first. So I've got, I'll leave this over here for a moment. I've got a 2c plus 1 times c minus 1. There it is. And I'm going to add that to, I've got a c minus 2 times a c plus 3. Now, let's expand that out. I really can't do anything with this at the moment because there's nothing common. So let's multiply all this out and see where I end up. So I've got a 2c times a c. That's going to be a 2c squared. A c times negative 1 is going to be negative 1. And I've got a plus 1c plus c. And I've got a 2c minus 1 is going to be a negative 2c. And on this side over here, I've got a plus. I've got c times c is c squared. Negative 2 times 3 is going to be minus 6. I've got minus 2c, and a plus 3c is just going to be plus c. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can make some sense out of all this. And all of that, by the way, is over c plus 3, c minus 3, c minus 1. All right, so I've got a 2c squared and a c squared. So straight away, that's going to be 3c squared. So I've got a 3c squared. Now, I've got a whole bunch of c's here. I've also got a, let's have a look at that. I've got a -1 and a -6 is going to be a -7. Let's put the -7 there now. And then I've got, what have I got here? I've got a C and a C is 2C, minus 2C is 0C. So I'm just left with that over C plus 3, C minus 3, and C minus 1. So I should actually draw these two up together. In fact, I'm just going to write that drawn up. So it's going to be -7 there. As you can see, C minus 2C plus C is going to be 0C. So that is my answer there. That's as far, I think, as I can reasonably take this. This looks like it has the makings of a difference of two squares, but it's nothing that's going to be useful to us. So that would be my final answer.